Hey Dan, I'm in my garage. I have my new setup here, as you can see, that I built the other day. This is the add-on, and I can bring this down. I can get this where I want it. Outside of both sides of the subframe here. Alright, go. Here. Get that. I get it close to the middle of the vehicle if possible. I'm pretty sure. Alright. And actually take her back a little bit. I did. That subframe. It's like so. This is balanced. Actually, this one here, I can bring it right to, bring them right in. I think I got these the right height. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Like so. I guess I'd actually bring it forward or backwards depending on which frame I want it on. Okay, see it's gonna do what I want it to do. Okay. We got that. Okay, just what I want to do. Vehicle's sitting right on the subframe. I got my wheels off the ground, just what I want to do. So now I can work on both wheels without having to jack one up at a time. It's off of here. Now I can do what I want to do. It's exactly what I wanted to do. Nice and solid, and no issues whatsoever. Now I can do each wheel. Take one wheel off and then do it without having to keep jacking up left and right. So success. That's what I wanted. It also makes it real quick. Checking wheel bearings and suspension. Make sure it's tight. That's solid. And go way back over here. Nice and tight. Top, bottom. Got no bearing issues. That's awesome. And I'll be able to do the same to the rear. I can just lift the rear up and do what I need to do with the rear. Just get the center section. But that's perfect. And now when I'm done, I'm going to jack the rear up. And I'm done. I've got this thing almost all the way down. And then I've also got, you take the little hooks off of here. Where are you? Off your little hooks here. And slide these even further out. And I can get it on. I can actually get it on the vehicle rails, if I need to. When I do the when I do the subframe, I can back this up, and it'll be on the frame, and I'm free and clear with the subframe. And I made a setup where I can come up underneath the subframe, and I can balance the subframe on it, and I can bring the subframe down while this is still holding the rest of the body. I don't have to use I've got a little you saw in that last subframe change there how I had the air bottle jack and the blackjack jack that I was able to put in under each side here. But this will take care of that just by sliding this back. See what happens here. What I want to do here. There. This one right here. Back over just a little bit. One balanced on both sides. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens with that. Look like they're gonna hold bend in. Okay, here we go. And that's the way that can sit. I don't think they should be that far out. I'm not sure what the look like they're kind of bending down, but I'm not sure if don't look too bad. What do you think? Kind of bending down a little bit, but I don't know if that's just the way that is. I'm not sure how much length. I'll have to double check on the length, but that's basically what I'm looking at right now. This is going to be much higher, but I don't know. It might just be that situation. I may just continue to use the bottle jack and the blackjack is to jack up the frame. I don't know. Hate to have that being up high that fail. That would not be a good thing. All right. Okay, so but as far as being good enough for doing what I just did a second ago, we mark that and find out how much beam is still in there. Because I guess it really doesn't want you going beyond the length of the chain here. But let's, just for the heck of it, let's see how much length is actually left on it. Yeah, because I think that chain keeps it about half the distance out there, or half of your length. Let's mark that. I'm thinking now a better idea is to use a 4x4 to go across to the frame rails and leave the chains intact, because it's being pushed back a little further in the middle of the vehicle, so there's going to be more weight, and you really don't want to lose that safety feature. Right there, you get about half the beam left on that. But, that's totally up to you. Whether you want to do that or not. doing a even. Let's see. Not completely off of it. My bolts aren't dead in the middle. Yeah, if you get it, if you can get it so it's even on both sides. This one's keeps doing that. Yeah, just a little bit. It's got just a little bit more on both sides that you can play with. I just need like, yeah, it's not even that. So you can set that up. I don't really, it's just a little ways to go, but I don't see why that won't hold. It's good for 4,000 pounds. You're not lifting the whole vehicle. You probably got 1,000 pounds, 2,000 maybe, yeah, 1,500 in the front because you got the engine and the trans on this one. You just have to look at it and see what your vehicle's doing. You know, but as far as doing what I was doing, you come right on the subframe and then drop it down. That drops my leg. That frees up my wheels. So that's all I wanted to do to begin with, and then I'll decide whether I want to do that when I do a subframe situation. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Crosby's Garage.